talking about something interesting that's literally everywhere. So we're gonna talking about Kris, Quick Response Code Indonesian Standard. You can often find it at cafes, canteen, or even small warungs. But the real question is, what makes Kris so important?
What?
We're gonna find out soon. I'm Lina Larasati Aida Putri, you can call me Ai, and here with me are...
I'm Gadza Safira Anita and you can call me Gadis.
I'm Zulfa Nafisa, you can call me Zulfa.
I'm Nova Mumtaz, you can call me Mumtaz.
Hey guys!
Hi!
Okay, so before we start, before we dive in, let's start with a quick explanation about Kris. So Kris stands for Quick Response Code Indonesian Standard. It's a system that developed by Bank Indonesia to combine all QR-based payment code into one single code. And honestly, one big reason I support Kris is because it simplifies everything. Like, we don't need five different code anymore. Like, we can only use one code for all payment apps. And for me, I think Kris is convenience both for users and for sellers.
Yes, totally agree. It's simple and it saves time. I don't even carry cash anymore. Paying with Kris is just faster. One scan and done.
And from seller sides, it helped a lot. They don't have to handle small change or worry about fake money. Everything goes directly to their account.
Yeah, even small vendors like bubble tea stalls or nasi goreng cart is use Kris now. It shows how digital payment is spreading to all levels of society.
Exactly. So, Kris isn't just a tool, it's basically a bridge between technology and the real economy because it's helping everyone to move towards the cashless convenience, right?
Right.
Yeah. Okay, so let's talk about the wider impact of Kris. So, personally, I think that one of the best thing about Kris is how it supports the government's goal to building a cashless society. Like, it could make the transactions traceable and transparent, which help the economic growth in a healthy way.
Yeah, that's a good point. It's more organized. The government can even collect better data on economic activity because all the transactions are recorded digitally.
Also, it's safer. You don't need to worry about losing your wallet or getting robbed. Everything protect inside your phone.
And I think it's more hygienic. During the pandemic, people prefer cashless payment and Kris became a perfect solution. Even though people still use it because it's clean and quick.
So basically, Kris helps us become more modern, safe, and efficient. Yeah, as a society. And did you know that some people argue about Kris is so high tech for the older generations and for small sellers?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think that Kris is actually very inclusive.
Yeah, the registration process is super easy. Sellers just need a smartphone and they can get their own Kris code. Even small warungs can do it.
And for customer, you don't need to be teach expert. Just open your payment apps, scan and confirm. My mom didn't know how to use it at first, but now she prefer use Kris because it's less hassle than dealing with coins.
And also, it works with all the payments apps. That's the best part. Whether like GoPay, ShopeePay, or Dana, and everyone can use with the same card.
Right. That's what I love the most about Kris. Kris breaks down the barrier between apps and also makes the digital payment accessible for everyone.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's talk about something that close to home. Small business. I think Kris is one of the best things that's ever happened to MKM or micro, small and even small enterprises.
For sure, it helps small business keep record digitally automatically. They can track sales, income, and grow without needing complicated with bookkeeping.
Yeah, and Chris also attracts more customers because more people prefer paying cashless now. If seen stalls near my school that used to only accept cash, but once they add Chris, they get busier.
It also keeps their money safer. Since payment go directly into their bank account, they don't have to carry a lot of cash, which means less risk of loss or debt.
Exactly. Plus, digital transaction records help them to apply loans or even business programs. It also gives them financial credibility, something that small business often struggle with. Now, people often worry about security, but in my opinion, I think that Chris is actually safer than cash because transaction go through secure system under Bank Indonesia's regulations, and the user still needs to confirm their payment on their apps.
Yeah, and because every transaction leaves a record, it's easy to check if something suspicious happened. You can see every payment you made down to the exact time.
It really builds trust between buyers and sellers. Both sides can clearly see the transaction details.
That's true. And also help reduce corruption or illegal payment because everything is traceable.
Exactly. Security, transparency, and trust. That's what makes Chris different from traditional payments. Of course, nothing is perfect. One challenge that Chris still faces is internet connection because not every area has a strong signal, right?
Yes.
Right. Yes.
Yeah, sometimes when the signal weak, payment take longer or fail.
But that's not Chris' fault. Really, it's an infrastructure problem. As the internet improve, so will Chris.
And actually, Bank Indonesia keeps improving it. Like the new Kris Tuntas feature, which allows transfers, withdrawals, and even cross-border payments.
Exactly. That's what makes it exciting. Chris isn't just a payment method. It's the future of financial technology in Indonesia. Alright, so let's wrap things up. Today, we've been discussing about how Chris makes transactions faster, safer, and more inclusive. It helps small business grow, supports digital economy, and also create transparency in financial system.
Yeah, it's not just a payment method. It's a lifestyle that shows Indonesia is ready for a digital future.
Totally, and it proved that innovation doesn't have to be complicated. It just has to make life easier for people.
So, in the end, supporting Chris means supporting progress, efficiency, and equality in digital payment.
Well said, everyone. So that's all for today's episode. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, next time you buy something, just scan and go. Because the future of financial system is already in your hand. Bye bye.